Welcome to my channel. Are you ever kept awake at night, worried about the looming threat of robots replacing your job? You're not alone. There's a pervasive fear that artificial intelligence, AI, will take over countless professions. But here's the twist. While AI is poised to redefine numerous job roles, it's also giving rise to entirely new positions that require the unique touch of the human mind. In this video, we'll explore the astonishing world of AI-driven jobs that you may not even know exist. 1. Prompt engineers. Prompt engineers are the unsung heroes behind AI's responses. They craft the queries that AI systems use to enhance their learning, guiding these digital minds like a mentor to a student. They ensure that AI systems like ChatGPT, Google's AI, or any other respond sensibly and naturally in conversations. Moreover, they are responsible for maintaining concise, informative, and cogent responses. These professionals also grapple with the ethical implications of the questions fed into AI systems, ensuring AI's responsible engagement with users. 2. AI content writers. While AI may one day write novels, it currently needs human guidance. AI content writers are the editors of the digital age. They collaborate with AI systems to craft engaging narratives, infusing soul into machine-generated words. This job involves merging your unique voice with the efficiency of AI, creating content that resonates with audiences. As the internet increasingly incorporates AI automation, AI content writers are in high demand, ensuring the quality of content produced. 3. AI integration specialists. AI integration specialists play a crucial role in implementing AI systems within organizations. They ensure that the transition to using AI tools is seamless and user-friendly. These professionals not only understand how AI functions but also how it can fit into various workflows. For instance, in healthcare, AI integration specialists customize AI tools to enhance the diagnostic process. They act as tech-savvy party planners in the tech world, ensuring a seamless experience for users. 4. AI trainers and operators. AI trainers educate AI systems, helping them learn and improve. They spend time teaching AI the ropes, much like training a new employee. Operators, on the other hand, supervise AI systems to ensure they perform to established standards and make necessary adjustments. Whether it's teaching facial recognition software to distinguish between faces or instructing autonomous vehicles to navigate complex scenarios, AI trainers and operators play a pivotal role in the responsible and effective use of AI. 5. Sentiment analyzers. Sentiment analyzers teach machines to understand human emotions from text. They decipher the nuances of customer feedback, social media posts, and product reviews. Even when customers use polite language, sentiment analyzers ensure AI systems respond empathetically. They help computers understand human emotions and respond like a comforting friend rather than a cold machine. 6. AI security analysts. With the growing reliance on AI, the need for AI security analysts has surged. These experts use AI to counter AI threats, safeguarding data from rogue algorithms and malicious bots. They develop tools and techniques to effectively counteract AI-fueled cyber threats, creating protective measures for data systems. AI security analysts engage in a battle of wits against AI-powered cyber attacks. 7. Automated systems quality assurance testers. Automated systems quality assurance testers ensure that AI not only functions intelligently but also reliably. They meticulously test AI systems in virtual environments to identify flaws and ensure they respond as proficiently as seasoned human operators. These testers are crucial in guaranteeing that AI performs error-free, potentially saving lives in applications like self-driving cars. 8. Algorithm forensic analysts. Algorithm forensic analysts are the detectives of the AI world. They scrutinize AI decisions to ensure they are fair and unbiased. These professionals must identify and rectify any bias in data to prevent AI systems from developing unfair preferences. Algorithm forensic analysts are instrumental in promoting fairness in AI systems, ensuring that they do not prioritize certain racial or gender groups or discriminate against users based on their backgrounds. 9. AI video editors. AI video editors are the emerging stars in video production. They use AI to edit videos, from simple consumer clips to complex Hollywood blockbusters. AI video editors work with established editing software but leverage AI-driven automation to enhance their efficiency. For example, they use AI to track subjects in scenes or perform facial recognition on crowds, making video editing more efficient and effective. 10. AI-powered social media content creators. AI-powered social media content creators generate engaging content for social media channels. They use algorithms to detect trends and identify keywords and phrases to create powerful content. This job aims to capture the attention of audiences and increase engagement by understanding user behavior and leveraging trending topics. AI-powered social media content creators expedite content creation and eliminate the need for manual research, enabling more creative and efficient social media marketing. In a world where AI is reshaping the job landscape, these unique roles demonstrate that AI is not just a threat but also a creator of new opportunities. As we adapt to the evolving world of AI, we can embrace these fascinating positions and be part of this transformative journey. So, if you found this information valuable, make sure to comment below with the word 100 to let us know.